So, you are in the market for a mid-size truck, and you keep seeing used Toyota Tacomas priced almost identically to brand new ones. It feels like a glitch in the matrix. What is the single best financial investment you can park in your driveway? You might think it is a rare sports car, but you would be wrong. It is a mid-size pickup truck. In a world where most vehicles lose half their value the second you drive them off the dealer lot, the Toyota Tacoma defies the laws of automotive economics. Today, we are breaking down exactly why this truck is basically a rolling savings account and why it flat out refuses to depreciate. Let's look at the actual data. According to Kelley Blue Book, a 2024 Toyota Tacoma retains a stunning 62.6% of its value after 5 years. Other reports indicate the Tacoma holds an even higher 64.1% of its original value after its first 5 years on the road. This makes it the highest value retaining vehicle out of any Toyota. In fact, previous generations of the Tacoma have been multiple winners of the Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value Award. But why? How does a mass-produced mid-sized truck hold its value better than almost anything else on the market?
First, the Tacoma is purchased and appreciated for its remarkable off-road talents. Buyers have made previous generations of the truck huge successes because they are notoriously tough and dependable. They will stand up to a ton of punishment and then get you home, time after time. Whether you are looking at a used model or the newly redesigned 2024 version featuring the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, the reputation remains intact. Buyers know that when they buy a Tacoma, they are buying a vehicle that can effortlessly push past 300,000 miles if properly maintained. The Toyota Tacoma is the best-selling mid-sized truck available, a position it has held for the past 15 years. There are good reasons for this, including a vast variety of engine, cab, and bed choices. With dozens of configurations available, there is a Tacoma to suit a wide range of needs and tastes, from an economical work truck to an off-road beast with an optional manual transmission. This relentless secondary market demand ensures that when you go to sell your used Tacoma, there is always a buyer waiting.
Whether buyers want a factory-fresh overlander like the Trail Hunter trim or just an entry-level workhorse, they can rest easy knowing that no other new truck on the market is forecast to retain as much of its value on average. It might cost a premium up front, but when you look at the economics of ownership over 5 years, it is one of the smartest vehicle purchases you can make. What do you think? Is the Tacoma Tax worth it? Drop a comment below and hit subscribe for more videos.